This may look so big for a 1-year-old child, but I want you to wait until you see what I'm making with it. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut a palazzo trouser for a 1-year-old child, and I'll be using the measurements on the screen. So let's get started. The first thing we want to take is our length measurement. The length is 18, and I'll add extra 2 inches for the sewing allowance. Then I'll be using 7.5 inches for the crotch. This is to make sure that his diaper is properly fitted in the trouser. His waist is 23 inches, so I'll be dividing that by 4, giving me 5.75. Then adding 1 inch allowance, that's 6.75. So I'm going to mark it right here, 6.75. Then the lap is 17 inches. Dividing that by 2 will give me 8.5 inch. So I'm going to mark it right here, 8.5 inch on the lap region. Then after marking this 8.5 inch, the next thing we are going to do is to divide that by 2 in order to have the center line. So that would be 4.25 inches. So I'll mark it right here, 4.25 inches. And I'll also go down to the bottom and also mark that 4.25 inches in order to have the center line. So this means marking the 4.25 inches. You are going to connect it up with your ruler. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share this video to others who will benefit. Then the bottom is 6 inches, which is 12 inches divided by 2 to give us 6 inches. So I'm marking it right here and also marking it at the other part here. So this 6 inches. So after marking all this, we're going to take the length measurement on the other side of the trouser. So this means taking the measurement, 20 inches, then 7.5 inches for the crotch. We're going to connect them together now using the ruler. If you are a beginner in tailoring, I have a master class which I'll be teaching you how to sew your very first outfit within 7 days. So do well to join the master class. The link is just in the description box and the price is 5,000 naira. So I'll be waiting for you right there in the master class. After connecting the bottom together, I'll be using this curve right here. I got this curve and you can also buy it on Amazon using my link. You are going to curve it like this and curve this other part. These are some of the tools I use, and the link to some of those tools are in the description box too, where you can click on the link and order, and I'll get commission from qualifying orders at no additional cost to you. So I'm also going to connect the crotch together right here, and at the top we're going to remove 1 inch for the slanting allowance. You're also going to connect this slanting allowance to the waist. You are doing all of this because you want your trouser to be free on the 1-year-old child, and you want everywhere to be well fitted and for the trouser to come out perfectly. So this is me cutting. If you've watched to this extent and you haven't subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share this video to other tailors who will benefit from it. Because I know a lot of tailors are scared sewing shirts for a little child from 6 months up to 5 years. So this will be a great help to them. After cutting the front panel, you place it on the remaining part of the material just like this, and then you arrange it properly. So after arranging it, at the bottom you add 2 inch allowance for sewing, and at the lap region you also add 2 inch allowance. Remember, the front panel would not add allowance. We add 2 inch allowance too. And the waist region, we added 1 inch allowance to the back, to the front panel, sorry. So on the back panel you also add 1 inch allowance, and then you take it upward with 2 inches for the slant. After measuring this, you connect the bottom line together with your ruler, and also the slant at the top you connect it to with your ruler. Then the next thing is to bring out your curve and connect the crotch region. Remember, I said you can get this curve on Amazon using my link in the description box. And also the tie region, connect it to this other curve right here. After connecting it, the next thing we are going to do is to cut the trouser. Don't forget to join my masterclass, which I'm hosting on Telegram, and the link to that masterclass will be in the description box. The fee is just 5,000 naira, and I promise you, you'll be sewing your very first outfit after these 7 days. And if you are new, also hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video to other tailors who will benefit from it. If you're finding it difficult cutting a child trouser or a senator shirt, then do well to watch these other videos showing at the end of this video, and you're going to benefit